Hello all! In this video, I'm going to show you a prototype I developed for testing generative AI capabilities. I thought that would be great to create something to help SharePoint Architect and Power users creating new sites. This tool is designed to provide valuable insights into information architecture, specifically for lists and libraries, and generate PowerShell code also for their creation. It's important to emphasize that this is a prototype. However, I'm excited to share it with you. So let's jump into a demo of the web application. As you can see, when you access ArchitectAI for SharePoint, that is the name of the application, the title is at the top of the page, and there is a brief description about the goal of this application. So let's say that your colleagues of your human resources department ask you to create a new site. All you have to do is to type the requirements, the first requirements here in the text box, and let's see what happens, what is the response that ArchitectAI for SharePoint gives us. At this moment, the AI starts to work, and we'll see a visual indicator that is analyzing the request and evaluating the different solutions that will provide us. Once it's done, the AI will provide us the answer directly below the request. It starts explaining the main purpose of this solution in a clear human language. And it's also proposing the theme site template to use when creating our human resources site. In addition to this, some lists are provided, like employees, for example, job openings, and each of them with the corresponding columns that probably are useful for our colleagues. Not only lists are suggested, but libraries as well. In this case, HR policies and training materials. But that's not all. If you are a SharePoint administrator, the AI also displays an additional section with a code snippet enabling us to use it for creating the site in PowerShell code. Very useful, and different sections for each of our lists and libraries. Finally, to provide more context and tailor its suggestion further, the AI asks us a question directly below the PowerShell code. This is where the conversational aspect comes in. You can type your response in the text box and continue the conversation, requesting additional features and clarifying any details about the new site that you want to create. This is just an example of a web application that can provide valuable insight and also generate PowerShell code for SharePoint Architects and also Power users. However, there is more applications that can be created from this model and extend beyond SharePoint architecture. For example, from a technical point of view, we can create different or similar applications for determining the appropriate architecture for a new project. If it's a monolithic application or microservices, if it's SQL or NoSQL databases, or for example, identifying potential technical risks and challenges that we should face during the project, or generating, as you saw, code snippets for different kind of programming languages. And also from a management point of view, we can have also applications for estimating project timelines and resource requirements, or assessing on project risks and identifying potential issues as well, and generating different kind of reports and presentation. That's all for ArchitectAI for SharePoint. I hope you enjoyed the video and the application too, the demonstration that I did. The main objective of this video is to inspire about the capacities and capabilities of generative AI applications. I'm going to keep developing new applications around generative AI to understand how far it can go, and I will share more insights about this. If you follow me, please check my blog, Intranet from the Trenches, that I publish more or less 2 articles per week, and I'm also on LinkedIn platform with more than 3 posts per week. Thank you for watching me.